Hi Aquarius and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of September is going to be for you, and along with your love, health, wealth, relationship, your money area, job area, all of that. I'm going to talk about what is your soul path or soul purpose this month. How is your soul going to grow this month? What is that one thing that you need to take care of for the whole month? And if you follow the advices given by the cards about your mental exercise, the affirmation, the chakra of the month, and the generic advices that the card give, if you follow those advices, how will they change your life for better? So let's just begin. This month is a month where some karmic lessons are coming in your life. Your intuition is going to be super high. Some people, for healing your karmas, are going to come into your life. Money flow I definitely can see, and along with that I see you developing intuitively in a big way, and with that very strong chances of pregnancy, because there are a lot of hormonal changes that are happening in your body this month. And one thing that I want to tell you is that this month, ensure that you don't feel blindfolded, that you don't feel stuck with any change in your life, with whether it's new person coming into your life, anybody walking out of your life. Know that this month your karma is making those changes happening, and whoever or situations that are coming into your life are because of your karmic cycles, healing that. And that's why it is important that you're able to see through them, you're able to move through them, and you don't feel stuck or blindfolded at all. So don't feel negative this month. Totally keep yourself positive. If you talk about relationships, a person is going to come into your life, and the person is going to be very overpowering, or the person is going to be very strong, and this could also be you feeling very strong and very overpowering this month. And because this person is coming into your life from a karmic point of view, I see some changes happening in this month where you probably would not know the reality of this person in the beginning, and this person can either be a fraud or do something which is wrong for you, and you get to that reality quite later. But this person might just look like a very strong personality, like somebody who can actually change your life, and the person will. So don't just know that this is for your lesson, this is for your learning. And if anybody is like this is coming into your life, take very careful decision. Just give it some time, understand that person well, know what the real intentions are, know what the real feelings are, and then move forward into this relationship. Otherwise, just focus on yourself, just focus on sorting your mind, because you're attracting that kind of energy. So it is important that you sort your mind, you sort your thoughts this month. If we talk about if you're already married and if you have a family and everything, this month you might feel some emotional up downs, some emotional push and pull. Like I said, could be due to pregnancy, but could be otherwise because you're getting to know certain things that you didn't know earlier, or some other people are influencing your life, or there is some kind of gossip or some kind of wrong things that are being spread about you, or there is a shadow energy or a negative energy that is impacting you. So because of that, you might just start feeling stuck in your relationships, or problematic, or little negative about it. But the cards are saying that this is all in your mind, this is all because you're feeling that ways. You can actually change this or convert that into a very good feeling, into a feeling of knowing, if you listen to your intuition and if you know why it is happening and you let that happen. So this month, ensure that you're focused on what you need, how you need to grow. You're focused on what your guides and angels are telling you, and you're focused on if there is any up down in a relationship, if there is any strong person that is coming into your relationship with you, whether it is for marriage, whether it is a proposal, whether it is your life partner. Know that the changes, the emotional up down, whatever is or whatever is the secret that has come out for healing you emotionally, for healing you and making you more connected with yourself, and accept that in a positive way. If we talk about baby birth, like I said, baby birth very strongly can be seen on the cards, and hormonal changes are very strong on the cards. So if pregnancy happens, keep yourself positive. And if you're scared that if somebody might just do something wrong, or you don't want the news to be spread, keep it to yourself. You don't have to share it with anybody. After 2 months or 3 months you can share it. So keep the news with yourself. If we talk about from the job perspective, I see opportunities coming into your life, but there is a delay in between, and that delay is happening for a reason. That delay is happening because if the opportunity comes now, and the delay that you have between the opportunity and the joining, you might just find some other opportunity which gives you a better raise or better money. And that's why don't be scared of the delay, or don't feel negative about the delay. Let that delay be there. It is ultimately going to work for you positively. If you're already in a job and you're looking forward to a promotion, be in your power, because this month you'll have to guide others and others will guide you. So it will be like a give and take of energy both ways. And if there is a little delay in your promotion or in your growth, it will ultimately happen. So don't start feeling stuck, because when you start feeling stuck, you might just take some decisions that you're not needed to be taken. And that's why it is very important that you don't feel that there is a negativity, there is a delay, and just know that everything that is happening to make you stronger and better and give you better growth, and the growth will happen. So just ensure that you're continuously working on yourself. If you're looking forward for a transfer or travel, I see that happening, but there could be some things that are involved along with it. So just ensure that you're staying strong, and just ensure that you're checking everything, cross checking everything, and just ensure that your energies are not too focused on too many things at the same time. If you are into a business, I see it growing, but like I said, the money will come, the money will flow, but there will be some delay in between, and that delay is for your betterment, for your growth. So just take that positively. If we talk about from the perspective of your health, this is a good month unless you feel tight. So this month is a month where physical body, there might not be much of the changes or any problem as such, but in your emotional body there will be a lot happening, and emotional healing is going to be very, very important this month. So ensure that you're practicing positivity, ensure that you're practicing focusing on one thing, ensure that you're not putting your mind on what you don't have, what you want, what your dreams are, how many things you have to do in a day, how many things you have to achieve going forward. Prioritize yourself, put your energy on one thing at one time, and just ensure that you're chanting, you're doing all good things that you can to keep yourself balanced. Also take care of the nights of full moon and no moon, and ensure that you have people around you in those nights, and ensure that you're not thinking a lot or taking any decision in full moon or no moon, because somewhere moon is going to be impacting your energy this month. If we talk about from the money perspective, money is coming into your life, there is page and there is knight, so money is going to grow, but with that just be careful, because I see some kind of fraud happening or some cheating happening, or something with regards to, because this is a thief card, so you need to be very careful with your passwords and everything. And if at all a loss happens this month, that will be recovered, you'll have that money back, so you don't have to be scared of at all. Just ensure that you're a little careful. With regards to your soul growth, this is a month, very strong month for soul growth. Your intuition is going to be all time high, and it is going to be very important for you to listen to your intuition. You might, if you're looking forward for a guide to have in your life, you might just find a spiritual guide. You'll find guidance for all around. There is a possibility you might feel an attraction to occult sciences or tarot cards or something like that, and there is a possibility you pick that up as a work, as a job, as a profession, or as a hobby. There is a possibility of you doing that, because your intuition is going to be very, very high this month. And if you don't put yourself into this position where you are not sure what is happening, you're emotionally unstable, you're emotionally stressed, you don't put yourself into this position and you use all this power to heal your heart and actually use this energy to actually increase your intuition, and you listen inwardly. So if you meditate, if you give yourself some time, if you chant, you might just hear your angels whispering in your ears. You might just hear your angels and guides guiding you through different signs, different signals. But that will only happen if you put your attention to that. If you keep yourself burdened with the worldly things and how many things you have to do, where you have to go, and what you have to figure out in life, then you might just miss this time. So this is very important that you give attention to all of those signs and signals. For your mental exercise of the month, this month, very important, there is a card of burden. Very important, you don't keep any burdens on your mind, and the burden is somewhere seen, and this person also that's coming into your life for your karmas, because there's wheel of fortune from the karmic cycle is coming into your life to become that burden, because you have to release the burdens this month. So practice this affirmation this month, that I let go of all the burdens that I am carrying with me or on me in my life without any purpose, without any guidance or learning in them. If there is a burden that is there in my life, I've learned my lesson, I allow myself to learn my lesson and let go of all those burdens that I'm carrying. I allow myself to be free, I allow myself to grow emotionally, and spiritually, and I allow myself to have all the beautiful things in my life. So just ensure that you do that affirmation this month. It's going to be very, very important. Second, this month chakra of the month is going to be your heart chakra. So heart chakra, the mantra is yum. You can just chant yum. So just do that chanting, or otherwise you'll find a lot of videos on internet about heart chakra meditation. So practice that meditation, going to be very good for you. Also for your burden, one thing that I see is you might be carrying something unnecessarily because you thought that is going to guide you. It could be a person, it could be a situation, it could be your loved ones, it could be anything in your life that you thought in the beginning that this is going to be beneficial for me, this is going to guide me, or there was some greediness that you had in the beginning, because for having something in your life you're carrying a burden. If something is like that, if there is a burden that you're carrying, now you realize that it was not possible, it was not positive for you, now you're carrying it as a burden, you have the ability to release it. So please release it this month. For the number of the month for you is going to be number 7. The color of the month for you, any shade of green, silver, golden, light blue, white, black is going to be good for you. So you can have those shades in your life. What is that one thing that you need to take care of this month? One, social distancing, very important this month, because I see with the moon card, there is at time the viruses or the allergies, or there is some kind of that thing that might come into your life, and that's why you have to take care of that. You're not really getting into a lot of like in touch with a lot of people. You're taking all the precautions, because some kind of virus, some kind of allergy, or some kind of these things can happen in this month. So ensure that you're not really going out too much, meeting with a lot of people too much, and if taking all the precautions. And second thing which is very important is that you understand that it's for your life. You understand that people can only influence your life as much as you want them to, and you take charge of your life. That's going to be very important this month. What if you follow the advices? If you follow the advices, the card is 9 of Pentacles, 9 of Coins. 9 of Pentacles is the card of independence. 9 of Pentacles is the card of peace. 9 of Pentacles is the card of growth. So you'll have growth, you'll have peace of mind, you'll be intuitively developed, and you'll have fulfilled one karmic cycle of yourself. So you'll see growth in your life. So please follow these advices, and if you like the video, please press the like button. That helps videos to become searchable. If you want to know more about yourself, or you want your personalized tarot reading to be done, you can contact me from the page through the Facebook link provided in the description box or the comment section. You just have to write that I want a reading for myself. I'll share my number and we can progress that accordingly. If you like this video, share this video with anyone that you want to or that you can. Subscribe the channel, it's for free. I will know how many people are waiting for the videos, and I'll make the videos even faster or include more things in the videos. If your feedbacks and comments are very important, if I'm missing anything or how the videos are resonating with you, do share through the feedbacks, and I will add those things that you suggest in the videos from the next month. Take care of yourself. There are a lot of other videos on my channel about positivity, about good life, about things that you might follow in your life. If you have time, browse the playlist. You might find something which is beneficial for you. I will see you with the next month's prediction. Till then, take care of yourself and ensure that you're not letting these things burden you and you're not feeling blindfolded. Keep chanting some mantras, keep chanting something, some song, something good, so that your mind is not wandering around and there is no negative energy that can impact you if you are in your power. So know that this month. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Follow social distancing, very important. If you see, these cards are placed quite like a meter ahead from each other. There is a distance that these cups are kept in a triangle with the same distance from each other. So ensure social distancing is going to be important this month. And take care of yourself. Bye bye.